Okay, welcome to all of you. Thank you so much for joining this session. Lot of them are newcomers in the sense today is a first class for many of them. But this is a third class. I also take Lalita Sahasranama classes with the meanings, and this meditation class is in English. And two classes have got over, and I've spoken about certain topics which is there in the YouTube. So, the first two classes, if you want to listen, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can. I have created a playlist and I've also shared it. So, you can listen if you like the class, and also you can share it to your friends, the link. And in Insta also, it has the link. Okay, so I welcome you all. So, first, thank yourself for taking out this time of 45 minutes to 1 hour for yourself and being there in this particular session. You should thank yourself first. Okay, self has to be acknowledged. And we'll start off with the Ganesha mantra. So, Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sheshivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayit Sarvavignopa. Okay. So I'm a writer also. I sometimes write certain articles. Thank you all. Namaste to all. Okay, I will start with one of my writer, which I had written it long time back. So I'll just read it. You can just listen with being your presence, because every class, right, it is more beneficial when both the sides, both the participant as well as the instructor or somebody who's leading, if you are focused, if you get involved, if you it's more of communicative. Whenever I ask, are you people liking it? If you acknowledge me, I'll also get inspired. Okay, people are listening, people are getting something. I get thank you so much for this program. Yes, yes. So, at the end of the session, I'll be taking some questions. In between, I request not to ask any questions. Soak yourself in whatever is happening. And whenever I ask you to acknowledge on the chat message, there is a chat message. If you send me thumbs up or whatever is your whenever I ask any questions, if you respond back there, then the class will become even more interactive, interesting for everybody. So everybody gets benefited out of it. So people who are there on the video, I really acknowledge you because what you listen, if you listen from this year and leave it out in this year, it will not make sense. But if you listen here and take it to your deep heart, deep inside your heart, the difference is the the feeling is very different. So whatever you listen, unless you soak it inside your heart and start implementing it, start acting on it, nothing is going to change. Okay, nothing is going to change. So every class recording, I'll be sharing it. And as you all know, this is a free class session, but a voluntary contribution is accepted. Some people have asked for it, so I will share after the class. What question you have, Mohana? You can raise your hand, or I'll quickly answer and start off the class because I'll run short of time. Also take questions at the end of the class also. Yeah, Mohana, unmute yourself and ask. You're not unmuting yourself. I'm not able to. Your hands are raised. Your hand is raised, but you're not speaking. Okay, fine. I'll move on. So this is a letter to God, what I have written. Okay, this I write my articles in this form, and some of them I publish it in the Insta also. You can look at it. This was written. I have a question. Who is your best friend who is available to you all the time? Who is your best friend who is available to you all the time and who listens to you all the time, who is watching you all the time, who is there with you all the time? Who is that? Ourselves. Yes, God, myself. Yes, very good, very good. For me, right? Yeah, instead of God word, I would say existence. Existence, the nature around the existence itself, nature, existence, God and me. Yes, very good, very beautiful. Okay, there was a point in my time, but in my life, about me also, I've spoken in my earlier videos. If you want to know about me, you can see the earlier videos. I'm a software engineer by profession, still working and all those things. My mom, dad were always busy, or I was in US, so they were not reachable and I did not want to trouble them. So the best friend for me was existence. So I wrote this letter to the existence. Think you can give existence the name God also. Okay, I treat God like a best friend. I used to treat God like a best friend. Okay, so this is the letter. Hi, how are you? No, see, long time. Where are you? How are you? Okay, where are you? How are you? How is your health? How is your health? I am asking God, how is your health? I'm treating God like a friend. Is everything good at your end? Is everything all right? Are you happy? I'm asking God, are you happy? Any challenges? Do let me know. I'm always there to listen to you. Are you tired? Did you sleep well? Did you relax? Did you rest well and eat well? When free, come home. Let's catch up. I will cook your favorite food. I will cook your favorite food. I am saying to God. We can laugh, we can sing, talk, play karaoke, and enjoy. You must be very busy. Millions of people are waiting to see you and meet you. I understand. I'm all good. I'm all good. You have given me the best. You have given me the best. So, so for future also, I know you will give me what is good for me. What is good for me? I am an instrument and you are the operator. I am the instrument. You are the operator. You know everything what's happening in my life. So I am holding your hand. I'm holding whose hand? I'm holding God's hand. I'm holding my hand, closing my eyes and walking with you. If I fall, I know that you will hold my hands and lift me up. You are with me like a shadow, protecting me, guiding me and shielding me. It pains at times when you are walking through me, when you're working through me. It pains at times when you're working through me. Your chisel hurts me. Means God is working on me and your chisel hurts me. Is trying to make me a idol. I know. I know that you're crafting me. You're working on me for making a better version of me, for making a better version of me. After few months, okay, got to see you later. Thanks for dropping by. I love the time with you. Best memory. Thanks for endless listening to me without reacting or judging and also being silent. I know your silence speaks a lot and conveys a lot of message. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. With lots and lots of contentment and satisfaction. This was the letter written to God by me sometime back. How was it? Did you people like it? Say yes, no, whatever, whatever you're feeling. Wow, superb, nice. You can read the recording if you have not understood. Yes. Did you like it? You know what happens when you write like this? What happens? When you write like this, things from your mind gets offloaded. And also every time you connect with a pen, paper, and ground yourself on the table, it becomes meditative writing. Meditative writing. It becomes meditative writing. Okay. So now I have requested everybody to have a pen and paper. Please take out your pen and paper for 1 or 2. I'll give you 2, 3 minutes. I want you to write what is meditation according to you. What is meditation according to you, and what is the benefit or what you want out of this class? I want everybody to take out your pen and paper or book and write answer. What is meditation to you? Is everybody with me? If your pen paper is not with you, please go bring it. I'm okay to wait. This is an activity, okay? This is meditative writing. Meditation means not just sitting for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, closing your eyes. No. Converting every act of your life into meditation by doing everything with awareness, with love, and by being in the present with gratitude is meditation. It's like it becomes meditative. Just soak yourself. Just soak yourself. What is your understanding about meditation? What is meditation according to you?
Ma'am, doubt. What do we have to write?
What is meditation? What is meditation? You are attending this class meditation, right? I love you, Rupa, and your daughter, because your daughter being in this class brings in lot of awareness, lot of energy. Okay, love you, baby, and love you for your question. And, and on top of that, write what you want by attending from this class. Like you are attending the meditation class, right? But what you want out of this meditation class, or if you meditate, what is that you want? Okay, write that also. Once you're done, you can just raise your hand so that I will know that, okay, we are done. We are at um 8:12, so I'll give you 8:14 times. So please complete it. Once you're done, please raise your hands. If you have doubt also, you can just ask me in case if you have doubt. And I really acknowledge people who are who responded, want to concentrate on med. Please write. Please write. I will tell you what happens when you write. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ. We have 1 more minute. Please write it. Please write it. Thank you so much, people who have acknowledged for my letter. All right. Thank you so much. Anybody wants to unmute and you can start sharing it? don't unmute, just start sharing it in the chat. In the chat message, you can start sharing it. Okay, what is meditation? You first share me that. What is meditation? Concentrate on breath and mind, giving test to body, mind, control, emotion, cleansing our mind and thoughts, focusing, sitting with thoughts and not reacting. Want to concentrate on meditation, observing from mind and not reacting. Meditation is relaxation. You connected to feels lighter. Okay, patience. Okay, to start new joyful life every day, being oneself and not worrying. All right, all right, all right. Stop messaging. Okay. So I read many people's messages. Was it the same? Was it the same? Was the message the same? No, message was very, very different. Each person, the definition of meditation is very different. Each person is very replying or seeing meditation in a very different way. Yes, because every person is very unique. Okay, every person is very unique. And what you want out of meditation, what you want out of this meditation also is very different. Like some people want peace, some people want relationship to be fixed, some people want joy, some people want health to be fixed, some people want job to be fixed, lot of stress, lot of anxiety, lot of other things. Okay, but you will start seeing any difference based on your investment of time. Now I have a question. Very beautiful. All of them have answered it very beautiful. Meditation is a mental exercise or practice which trains attention, awareness, and all these things. Very nice. Dr. Shekhar, Arun, Nitya, and everybody, whoever has responded. Now I will tell my version. So you okay, when you get meditation has many definitions, but you will get to know it is a feeling. Meditation is a feeling, and also it is a mental exercise to face the uncertainty of life. Do you know what will happen tomorrow? Does anybody know what happens tomorrow? No, we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. When an uncertainty happens, your mind will not get into depression or you will not give up. So, meditation prepares you for the uncertainty of life. It keeps you calm, relaxed, and all those things. But you will start feeling calm, stressless only when you start practicing it. It is like if somebody asks, I'm meditating from 1 year, 6 months, and all those things. I'm not seeing any difference. Even I don't know when you will start seeing the difference. I also don't know what is the benefit that you will get. Even I don't know. I can only say it is like a question. Ma'am, I started digging the well. I started digging the well. Okay, I started digging the well. So can you please tell me with certainty, with guarantee that you will get the water there? Can anybody say? Can anybody tell? No, we cannot tell. You will get the water at 100 feet, 200 feet, 1000 feet. I don't know when you will get the result out of meditation. All I can say is have patience. Have patience. And even if you get the water at 1000 feet or you don't get the water, the taste of the water might vary. It might be salty, it might be watery, it might be sweet water, and inch of the water, it might be 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch. Before even you starting digging the well, if you ask me, ma'am, what is the benefits of meditation? Even I don't know. It is based on your need that you will see some difference. And meditation is nothing but you will plug in yourself to the existence. Like every day, end of the day, what you will do with the phone? What you will do with the phone? End of the day, the battery goes dead. So what do you do? Type in. What do you do? You, what do you do? You recharge. You plug into the electric source. So same way, at the end of the day, your body energy, you feel depleted, your energy gets depleted. So meditation is recharging your energy, recharging yourself by connecting to the abundance energy which is there in the existence. Where is the abundance energy? It is there everywhere. Okay. So last classes I have told the importance of breath. Why they focus on breath? Breath is nothing but prana shakti. Prana shakti means energy. So you are focusing yourself on the breath. And also I have one more question. When you're wounded, how long will it take to heal? How long will it take to heal? Can somebody reply? Please chat. Send us like reply on the chat. How long will it take to heal a wound?
Can't predict.
You cannot predict. Awesome answer. It will feel the pain. Awesome answer. Okay. Meditation makes person respond uh, uncertain. Yes, Bhagyashri. Depends on the wound. Without infection, 1 week. Okay. Very good. Awesome. Same way. So there are many conditions, like your family background is different, your upbringing is different, your education is different, your past trauma or past is very different, your way of thinking is very different, your friends are very different, your eating patterns are very different, your body is different, your physical health is different. So there is no one person like you. So the path, what the benefits you're getting out of meditation is also very different, and whatever healing that you're looking for is very different based on how deep the wound is. How deep the wound is, how infected the wound is, and how you're taking care of that wound is what will take time. Some wound are for lifetime. Some wound will get healed in 2 or 3 days. If the wound is like gangrene or something, right, you will have to amputate. And if people are in coma condition or cancer condition or heart like BP condition, it will subside. It will not vanish. Okay, it will not vanish. So how some relationship wounds also will be there, which is not seen. So relationship wound also, it takes its own time. So you need to understand meditation also is an healing process. So you cannot put a deadline. Okay, tomorrow it will get healed. Day after tomorrow it will get healed. No, there is no particular time you can put. It depends on how you sow the seed, how you water it, and how many days, how many years it will take to turn into a transform into a tree. And then when it will start fruiting, then only you will start seeing the result. For some, you can start seeing the result in a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, for some years together, for some months together. It all depends on how you implement in your life. Okay, so too much of talking happened. I'm sorry, there are a lot of tips which I have given in the last two classes. So we'll start off with the meditation. So there are different types of meditation also which I've spoken. Like everyday activity can become meditative if you're doing everything with awareness, love, and being in the present. So I think I've done that activity. Your eyes is the door gateway for the outer world. Okay, your eyes is a gateway for the outer world. So you need to keep your eyes closed. You need to first rule is you need to keep your eyes closed. Okay. Second rule is you need to keep your spine straight because it is a meditation is generally a feeling of energy flow. So if you keep your spine bent right, the energy flow will get distracted, but based on your medical condition. So start idly with 5 minutes, even if you're able to sit for 5 minutes. Even for 5 minutes, if you're able to sit, it is a great achievement without doing anything and closing your eyes. And always have a book with yourself. Whatever thoughts, right? If it comes to you, if it is positive, capture it. If it is negative, ignore it or cut it like a weed. Cut it like a weed. Don't absorb it. Negative thoughts, ignore. And positive thoughts, you can just become a watcher. After the meditation, you can write it down if it is positive. So anything which you write, right, it is a message that you are giving to the existence. It is like you're posting an application form to the existence. But if thoughts are there within you, if it is there inside you, nobody can read it, but it will be passing vibrations. So whatever you water, even your thoughts, what you water, right, it has a deep connection with the existence. So existence just attracts whatever you're thinking, like a magnet. Like a magnet, your thoughts attracts whatever you're thinking, like a magnet. So be thoughtful when you're thinking. So anything negative, just cut it or just become a watcher. Like a cloud, it comes, goes. Okay. So start with 5 minutes. Don't overstress yourself. Close your eyes and be still. When you're still, right? When you do a workout, when you do jogging, or when you do cardio, or when you do cycling, when you go for walking, what will happen? You will be sweating, right? You agree with me? You'll start sweating. But when you will start feeling the sweat, when you're standing still, when the water, when the sweat drips on your face or on your body, you will feel the you'll feel the energy, right? You'll feel that. So when you're in still, you can feel the breeze also. You'll become more aware. Okay. So you'll become more aware. So these are the only three things majorly what I recommend. Put off your phone for 30 minutes. Put off your phone, not mute or vibration. Put off your phone. And what I recommend generally is make every act of your life, cooking, cleaning, working, taking bath, playing with kids, watering plants, everything meditative. Okay, reading meditative. For me, taking this class, this whatever 45 minutes class is meditative. Okay, so everybody, wherever you are, just close your eyes, sit straight based on your medical condition. If you're not able to sit for 15 minutes, you can just relax wherever you are. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath, relax, it's okay. Take a deep breath. Wherever you are, just settle, be still, close your eyes, feel the air in the room. Feel the breeze also through the window if the breeze is blowing. Feel it. Every breath that you're taking, feel the air going through your nostril. Relax. Forget about your family, kids, work, job. This 5-10 minutes is your time. Your time. Relax. Leave your shoulders loose. Leave your shoulders loose. Relax. Don't hold your body tight. Just leave it loose. Every breath that you inhale is rushing the oxygen to every cell of your body. Every cell of your body. So relax. Your mind is reset. So you're going back to your mother's womb. You're slowly going back to your mother's womb where you are a small, only your heartbeat was like your heart was pumping. You're not able to see, you're not able to listen, you're not able to do anything. You're just like floating. Go back to that state of reset. Enjoy the floating, no tension, no nothing. Relaxed. You're so happy floating. Now you slowly plug in yourself like a mobile. You will plug in yourself to the existence. Now energy starts flowing through your body like a mobile. You're getting charged 5%, 10%, 20%. The battery is raising, going down, raising, going down. So the entire gratitude meditation, what I'll be doing, you will be getting charged. So you're plugging into the infinite electric source, natural energy source, and you're getting recharged. So we will do an activity now. Inside your heart, in your inner garden. In your inner garden, you will sow. You will sow different seeds. You will sow self seed. You will sow self seed. In self seed, you will thank yourself. You will love yourself. You will appreciate yourself. You're thankful for everything that you are. You're accepting yourself the way you are. You're thanking your body also. This body is very, very important. You're thanking every part of your body: heart, lungs, face, brain, eyes, nose. Every part of your body you're thanking and you're relaxing. I'm sorry if I've not taken care of you. So today you sow a seed in your inner garden that you will take care of yourself. You'll first give priority to yourself. In your life, you are the heroine of your life. Hero or heroine of your life. You will give priority to your health and your mental health, physical health, emotional health, and mental health. So you will heal yourself. In case if you have not taken care of yourself, make sure you water this particular seed with lot of love. Next, you will sow the seed for relationship. You will sow the seed for relationship. If you have issues, if you need healing with regard to relationship, husband, wife, children, grandparents, colleagues, friends, relatives, wherever there is a wound, through this relationship seeds, You will water and take care of this relationship with love so that it gets healed. Take a deep breath. Feel the energy, feel the breath, feel your chest going up and coming down. Without your control, the air is going inside, the lungs is performing its function. Without your control, not even your body parts are under your control. Next, you will sow the seed for wealth. From wherever the wealth energy is flowing, if you have wound or obstacles or any blockages, by sowing this seed and watering it with love, all the blockages, obstacles, whatever challenges you are having to attract the wealth energy gets healed. Relax. Next, you will sow the health, health seed. If you are having any issues with the physical body, any diseases, any pain, any tiredness, any laziness, restlessness, if you have not taken care of your body or suffering with any pain, by taking care of this health seed, you're healing your health. You're passing energy, you're recharging this particular seed on a daily basis. You're recharging the health seed. So the wound or disease will get healed gradually. Feel it. Every breath that you're taking is healing you 365 degrees. Relax. Let go all the past. Don't be a prisoner of past. Don't be in the jail of the past. Let go. From today, you have planted the seeds. So every day, water your garden. Take care of your garden. Heal your garden. So now we are practicing few gratitude things. So your parents are the one who have given you this body. So thank your parents, both mother and father. By practicing gratitude, your mind shifts towards the positive things of life, what you already have. So, where your attention is going through gratitude, it is going to positive things. Where your attention goes, the energy flows and grows. The energy flows towards the positive things through gratitude practice. Take a deep breath. If you're falling asleep, it is okay, absolutely okay. If you're feeling sleepy, it is okay. Since you started your class very recently, it's absolutely fine. But keep trying, keep walking. As you walk, the way appears. Relax. Thank the 9 planets. Namasuryaya, Chandraya, Mangalaya, Budaya cha, Guru Shukra, Shanivecha, Rahue, Ketue, Namo Namaha. Sun is a super healer. He heals you physically, mentally, emotionally. He is the ancestor of Rama. Rama is Surya Vamshi. His sun is available every day morning. He comes to your door. No queue, no priest, no money. Is directly accessible. Thank him. Sun is a life force energy. Thank the Panchabhutas, Jaladurge, Vayudurge, Agni Durge, Akasha Durge, Bhudurge. Thank the mates who come to your house, BBMP workers, garbage pickers, and freedom fighters, community workers, doctors, police, politicians, all social. We are a social being. So, government officials, non government officials, private workers, everybody, thank them from the bottom of your heart. Come back, take a deep breath. Thank the source of money from which the money is coming, your company, your manager, your husband, your investment, employees, from wherever the money is flowing, the tenants, wherever it is flowing. Money is a divine energy. If you bless it and give, it will come in 1,000 folds. Bless the food that you eat, starting from the sowing of the seed till it reaches to your plate. Person who has sowed it, harvested it, watered it, who has transported it, who is selling it, the retail vegetable market person, everybody. Thank everybody. And first offer the food to the god so that it get energized, and then eat. Food is not just the physical food. You're feeding food to your brain, through to your mind, through your eyes, ears, and through your own speech. So watch on what you're talking, what you're hearing, what you're seeing through mobile, through reels, through people, what you're gossiping, what you're talking, what words come out of your mouth. Everything should become meditative. Take a deep breath. You're relax. Let go everything. Thank the living and non-living things also, because living and non-living things both has energy. Living things, the nature, the prakriti, the water, river, oceans, animals, pets, everything, thank it. Non-living things, starting from mobile phone, laptop, car, vehicle, chair, paper, bed, utensils, what you use, everything has energy, thank it. Thank the beautiful people in your life. Your husband, family, children, mother-in-law, father-in-law side, your parents, your friends, relatives, whoever is giving you happiness, including the enemies. You're exactly in a right place. So bloom wherever you are planted. Thank your ancestors, starting your mother's side, father's side, mother-in-law side, mother-in-law side, father-in-law side, or any people, special people who have passed away. Your small 1 minute prayer will make miracles for them, and you will also get their blessings. Thank the beautiful gurus in your life, spiritual gurus as well as real life gurus, starting from school teacher to parents to teachers, children, from whomever you have got knowledge. You've already thanked your body parts, so your body parts also have to be thanked, your body and your body parts, and then your Ishta Devatas, like if there is a deity or a existence itself is what you is miraculous. Existence is a mystery. So thank existence for whatever it has given. Loka samasta sukino bhavantu. Once you're done, you can rub your hands slowly and then keep it on your eyes and then slowly open. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityoma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. If you are done, you can share your experience and also you can speak, unmute, raise your hands so that I can say, call out your name and you can unmute and you can talk. Feel relaxed. Yes, actually, it has to be 45 minutes, but I'm sticking to the time of 45 minutes. So I am just like
Mummy,
making the meditation a little. Anybody wants to talk anything? Thank you so much. Feeling relaxed, amazing, felt relaxed. You can unmute and speak if you have questions or raise your hand. How are you feeling? What did you feel? Anybody wants to share? Thank you. Amazing. Mamta ma'am, thank you. Thank you so much. Feeling relaxed. Yes, meditation means relaxing. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Felt happy. Even I felt happy. What did Rupa's daughter feel? I want to know what did she feel? Sleepy? Okay, no problem. That's okay. But it is a very wonderful effort that she's there. Okay. Anybody has any other questions where I can answer? All the all the class recordings are there. And if you have any doubts, questions, yeah, Arun sir, you can go ahead and ask the question if you have. You can unmute and talk. Your mic is not
Yeah,
unmuted.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ma'am. I had a very good session. I'm feeling
Okay.
very comfortable.
Okay.
Feeling
Thank you so
blissful.
much. Thank you so much. And whatever I share it in the WhatsApp group, right? Try to practice that and also implement it and read it so that See, I am just giving you tools, but how you use the tools, it is up to you. I can only take you near the lake, but I cannot make you drink the water. So it is depending on what effort you put, you will see the result or the shift in your life. Okay, I am just giving you different tools like chanting Lalita Sahasranama can become bhakti meditation, or like in ISKCON, they say chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That also becomes chanting meditation. So that means you are in the present, not thinking of anything else. So it indirectly makes you calm, relaxed, patient, uh, like it relaxes your nervous system. It makes you feel good. Okay, so meditation also is one of the method where you can make yourself feel good. Okay, so you can share this group link to your friends, family if you like it. I will share the details once the class is over in the WhatsApp. Anybody else want to speak anything?
Yeah, I'm Nitya here.
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am, go ahead.
nice session. But I
Thank you
had
so
a
much.
doubt, like
Yeah, please
when you
go
were
ahead.
saying that sow seed for health or relationship,
Yes.
by then when we think there's so
Mm,
many things in the mind and
mm.
that I'm not able to connect it immediately. So just can you just give an example how to do it?
Okay, see,
What
for
is some
example,
health or like I have migraine, I have severe gastric issues. So how to sow the seed and think of that? I just want an example because I'm not able to
see,
connect.
okay, no
So
problem.
don't mind. Can you just explain me that?
It's okay, ma'am. I got your point. It is like something has happened in your past. Now you're suffering. Okay. So now we will slowly, what we will do, we will sow the seed of good health. Okay. Good health, we will sow the seeds and we'll start watering. So the seed will start, as the seed starts growing, right? It will start germinating, it will transform into a sapling, it will transform into a plant, it will transform into a tree. So what is happening is you will start watering your health. You will start focusing on your health. So if you start focusing on your health, what happens? Make a list for yourself in such a way. For me also, I am just giving you a live example. I myself, I had migraine. Okay. I was treated for 3-4 years, MRI scan, that scan, this scan. I am a BP patient also. Like I have like once my BP had shooted to 240. So this is my second or third life. So how I came out of it was I tried different methods which worked for me. So, sun soaking meditation made miracles in my life. It just calmed me down and my migraine started coming to control. Today, I am there without any medicines on migraine, but BP I am taking. That is a lifetime medicine, but I am able to accept that I have migraine, I have BP, I have asthma, I have all these things. The moment I accepted, right? So meditation made me to accept. So the moment I hugged it, it became part of me. So it is not hurting me. So I'm not complaining. I have BP, I have migraine, I have asthma from birth, I have that challenge, this challenge. No, it's okay. It will also live along with me. I'll still laugh, I'll still smile, I'll still enjoy. So, watering, sowing that seed means you're healing that health. So, watering indirectly is like you're watering it, you're taking care of your health. So, start trying, start journaling, start writing. For my health, how much time am I giving? If it gets fixed in mind, you can meditate. So once you make a list, what works for you? I simply walk in the morning barefoot in the sun. That grounds me down. So I have figured out what has worked for me. So morning sun walking, meditation, and then I started doing everything with awareness. So Whenever my children irritate me, my husband irritates me, or some friends irritate me, or office colleagues irritate me, right? Earlier, I used to get triggered. Hey, what's this happening? Why is this man telling me? Why my children are irritating me? So now it is like I'm like calm. I'm relaxing. I'm like responding. I'm thinking instead of saying why this is happening to me, I have changed the sentence to what is that existence wants to teach me through this incident, through this BP incident, or my children getting frustrated, or any incident in life, right? I'm just changed it and I'm like thinking, what is that existence wants to teach me? So, in that way, I'm more receptive. So, you will start living, you will start assuming in meditation, like once you're watering, right? Your nervous system is calming down, you're relaxing. It will not happen immediately, but over a period of time, you can feel the vibes. I hope I answered your question. I don't know.
Okay, ma'am. Maybe future classes I'll be able to do it.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
take it easy. Since
Yeah,
it's
okay.
first time you started, just start with 5 minutes. Start
Yeah.
visualizing that you're getting healed. Just like a wound, you've got some wound, you're applying medicine and it will heal with time. Okay,
Okay.
time is a healer. Time is a healer and acceptance. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
acceptance also has to come. Anybody else? Any other
Thank you.
question or
Thank you.
I'll wind up? Yeah, no problem. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Good night, all. Okay. And I have announcement. Next week, I'm not there. I'm attending some retreat in Pyramid Valley. So next week, the class will not be there. So February, the class will be there. So you can all be in the group. And whenever I write something or share something or ask to do some activity, right? If you get involved and act on it, you will start seeing some result without even starting digging the well. You want to see some water, that's not possible. So I don't guarantee anything what you will get from meditation. You walk, the path will unfold by itself. The path will start appearing. Okay, thank you so much. Good night all. Love you all. Bye. Thank you. Just made my goals.